You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a motorcycle, and that's basically the same thing.
Ducati has launched the new 2023 Monster SP, its 937 cubic centimeters super naked bike, which arrives sportier and more fun with segment reference components, in addition to a MotoGP-inspired livery. Based on the Monster that launched in 2021 with a new more powerful engine, new aluminum alloy frame and new design, the 2023 Monster SP brings the best in sport riding, like Öhlins suspension, Brembo Stylema front brake calipers, Termignoni muffler, Pirelli Diablo Rosso IV tires, steering damper, and lithium-ion battery. The highlight on the Ducati Monster SP is the aluminum alloy front frame, based on the Supersport Panigale V4, which replaces the steel trellis of the old Monster 821. In addition, the rear subframe is made with a modern technology, called of GFRP, fiberglass reinforced polymer, helping with weight loss. With the adoption of Öhlins fully adjustable suspension, Brembo Stylema brake calipers, and lithium battery, it was possible to reduce 2 kilograms compared to the standard Monster, as well as improved handling with increased ground clearance and tilt angle, and the best stopping power. Finally, the new design maintains the DNA of the Monster line, being simple and clean, keeping only the essentials for fun. In this sportier version, the livery is based on the colors of the Ducati Lenovo team's Desmosedici GP22 in MotoGP. Mechanical set and technology. The 2023 Ducati Monster SP features the 937 cubic centimeters Testastretta 11 degrees L twin engine, with desmodromic distribution and liquid cooling, which is capable of generating up to 111 HP of maximum power at 9,250 RPM, and 93 Nm/9.5 kgfm of maximum torque at just 6,500 RPM. In addition, the model is equipped with a 6-speed gearbox with hydraulic clutch, and Ducati quick shift up/down system as standard. A true street fighter, the Monster SP arrives with 1/7 aluminum alloy wheels, fitted with Pirelli Diablo Rosso IV tires measuring 120/70-17 at the front and 180/55-17 at the rear, and dual 320mm disc brakes at the front with Brembo Stylema calipers. Furthermore, in terms of technology, the new model is equipped as standard with cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie control, all adjustable for different levels of intervention. The sporty character of the bike is complemented by launch control, which guarantees extremely fast starts. Finally, the bike's electronics underwent a general recalibration of all riding modes and therefore all electronic controls, and brings the new wet riding mode, designed to offer greater safety on wet surfaces. Anyway, the 2023 Ducati Monster SP will arrive at dealerships in Europe and North America from January 2023.